What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival. Just got this car in 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. I'm going to dive deeper and give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. First off, under the hood, you got a 327 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Great combo, fun to drive. Edelbrock Performer RPM intake manifold, HEI ignition. I mean, you're pretty much set. This thing drives great and it starts right up. As you can see, I just started this thing up. It's already running smooth and it's pretty cold outside in the warehouse. It's not too warm. So this thing just starts up and it runs great. Very reliable. It does not have power steering. Just an old school kind of hot rod, no power steering, 4-speed, but very easy to drive and very fun to drive. As you can see, the interior, kind of this cream color with the black, with the kind of a rose accent, kind of like the paint. Let's give this thing a rev. As you can see, it's got a Hurst shifter. Old school, nice. Old school tack. Now let's try everything. Let's try your wipers. Your wipers work. Now this thing has a retro sound radio, okay? Now what's awesome about this is, look. Looks completely factory stock. There's your dial. It's got a great antenna. I'm getting stations in the warehouse, which is quite literally close to impossible most of the time when I test these radios. So you can see the radio works. You got speakers down in the kick panels, and the radio picks up stations in the warehouse. Like I said, that rarely happens. Your horn is actually down here. Listen to that old school horn. It's not up here, but it is down there. You got pot gauges down here, your temp, your oil pressure, your volts. You got 2 cup holders right here. Your glove box. It's a Chevrolet old school glove box. Takes some finessing to get open, but opens up pretty nice in there. Got clock there, which is inoperable. As you can see, this is the hard top, no post. I got this thing running, and I'm going to show you the lights. The headlights work. Let's show you the tail lights. Tail lights work. Let's try your turn signals. Turn signals work. Front and back. Yes, they do. Let's try the other side. Just going through this so I could represent the car. Turn signals work on both sides, no issue there. And finally, let's test your heat. As you can see, there's your radio working again. It looks completely stock now. Your heat. I do not hear anything. Not hear anything with the heat, so I will say it is inoperable. Let's cut this thing off, turn the lights off. And the color, just look at that rose color with that white top, just a classy color combo. These 57 Chevys are just so classy. Trunk opens. A little heavy, but opens. You got your spare tire, your jack, your tire iron, your jack stowage and jacking instructions. You got some spare parts here. Chevy Classics books. There's like a sales brochure, owner's manual, wiring diagrams, and then just book of Tri-5s, which is really cool. And then you got this book, The Beast. I assume that's what they named this car. I'm not gonna go through all of this because look at how thick this is, but this is some of the paperwork that comes with the car, just receipts and just everything. So, I mean, look at that. I mean, underneath this car is really clean too. Look at that, really clean underneath. Trunk closes beautifully. The body lines up great. You got your Kraggers on there, disc brakes in the front, drum in the back. Just an awesome cruiser and nice and classy. This is a 57 Chevy, guys. When you think of a 57 Chevy, this is what I think of. It's a nice, classy little hot rod like this. Just a blast to drive, starts right up. No complaints whatsoever. Like I said, as you can see, the doors open and close nicely. Windows roll up and down nicely. Your seats are in great shape. Your headliner, no tears there. Dome light works. All your interior lights there. Let's put this key back. Your odometer reads 96,000 miles. As you can see, the car was an automatic originally, but it is now 4-speed, like I said, 327. Let's go ahead, close this hood. Closes beautifully. If you are interested in this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, give us a call, 847-848-1850. We have around 250 cars in stock at our warehouse. We own them. Stop on by. Let's get you the dream car you've always wanted. We offer special financing with great monthly payments, shipping all over the United States, open and closed, bonded and insured. All these cars are sold as is, but we do have a sales or a service center. Talk to your sales representative to get a quote from service if you want anything addressed on your classic car. Take a look at our beautiful warehouse here. This is just some of our inventory. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. Visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. I'll have underneath photos of this car on there as well. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope to see you here at MGM Classic Cars, picking up the dream car you've always wanted. Remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.